So today I'm going to show you how to make clean, realistic mockups in Photoshop. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn any design into a professional product preview. But before I show you the steps, there's one trick inside Photoshop that makes your mockup look so real instead of flat. And most beginners never use it. It's kind of like a one hidden setting that fixes everything smoothly. Once you see how it works, you'll never create mockups the old way again. I'll show you that moment in a bit. Let's start by opening your mockup file or bringing any product image you want to use. A shirt, a mug, pillow, a box, or anything you have in mind. Next, drag your design into the file, but instead of forcing it to fit, we're going to use a more accurate and professional method. First, select a blank box on the object area where you want to add your mockup, like a shirt, a mug, a pillow, or anything. Then right-click on that layer and choose Select Pixels. On your keyboard, press Ctrl-C to copy it. Now, hide the layer by clicking the eye icon. Go back to the Select tool on the top, then choose Deselect, or press Ctrl-D as the shortcut. Create a new layer by clicking the New Layer button. Next, go to Filter at the top menu, and from the list, choose Vanishing Point. Add your vanishing point grid by dragging the lines on the edges of the box or surface. Hold Ctrl and drag to complete the grid if needed. If the lines turn red, that means it's not aligned correctly. Adjust until it turns blue or green. Now, press Ctrl V to paste the design you want. Then press Ctrl T to scale and position it however you like. Then, click OK. Lastly, change the layer's blending mode. Change it to multiply so that texture and shadows of the object show through. This gives your mock-up a natural, realistic look without the flat, pasted-on feel. And that's it. A clean, professional mock-up in just few clicks. If you want more Photoshop tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment what effect you want next. See you in the next one.